Welcome to this channel, guys. In this video we're going to learn how to add smoke effect on image in PicsArt. Okay, before we get started, kindly click the subscribe button so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new amazing videos. Alright, let's get started. To begin, you have to click the plus sign. Now you move over to draw and color and move over to custom. The size you're going to use 500 by 400. Click on create. Nice. So from here you select this layer. So now let's add our image. I'm going to choose this. When I choose it, I have to resize it very well, so it's going to cover the whole of this place. Okay, now the next thing that we're going to do is select this layer. So on this layer now I'm going to add an image here. Click on good. So let's resize it. I think it's okay like this. You drop it. Okay, now let's add a layer. So on this layer I'm going to add a new photo. Click on good. So let's increase the size and rotate it. It's going to be over here. It's okay like this. Okay, so let me hide it. Let me reduce the size, reduce the opacity. Let me zoom in. Let me brush it. Okay, I think it's okay like this. Let me unhide it. Okay, did you see how good it looks? Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do now here, so what I'll do is that I have to copy it. So when I copy it, I merge the two. Now I have to add an empty layer. So from here, add photo. Click on good. So let's resize this. I have to rotate it. Bring it down over here. Let me resize it. Then move to transform and bring it down over here. I think it's okay like this. Let me resize it again. I think it's okay. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is that I have to hide this. So then move to eraser. Brush it. Okay, let me bring it down. Let me unhide this. Okay, the next thing that I'm going to do, I have to create a new layer. So on this day I'm going to add a new photo. click on good. Let me resize it more. Let it be like this. I think it's perfect like this. So what I'm going to do, I come to this layer, I copy it and merge it. I move over to this layer, I copy it and merge it. Transform. Okay, I think this is good. Alright, this is good. So let's move over to this one. Transform. I think this is good. I think this is good. So what I'm going to do now is that I move to eraser. Let me reduce the opacity now. Okay, when you are done, you click on here, you click on save image, you click on save as JPG, you click on save. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you find this video useful, don't forget to click the subscribe button. See you soon.